Hey there, and welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today, we are talking keto coleslaw, my friend. You heard me right, keto coleslaw. I'm going to show you how to make this very simple and very delicious coleslaw in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this easy and very simple coleslaw. It starts with half a head of white cabbage, half a yellow onion, a carrot. You could use half a carrot if you like. Some people on the keto diet are very nervous about carrots. I'm not, so I'm going to use a carrot in this. This really makes a lot of servings. You'll also need a teaspoon of celery seed, a tablespoon of apple cider or other vinegar, a third of a cup of mayonnaise. This is my homemade French-style mayonnaise. I'll put a link to that up on the screen. A scant half a cup or so of sour cream, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper. I'm also going to add in some diced bell peppers of different colors. You can leave them out if you prefer, but I like them in there. They're crunchy and delicious, and they make this really colorful. Preparing the vegetables is easy. I'm just going to thinly slice the onion like this. As for the carrot, I'm going to use my box grater to shred that up into these nice shreds, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue shredding here. As for the cabbage, I peeled away some of the outer leaves that looked a little withered, and now I'm going to cut out the core like this, remove it. That's going to go in the compost, and then cut it in half, cut each half into yet another half, and then I'm going to shred it like this. You've seen me do this in other videos. I don't want to use my box grater for this because those shreds are way too small, and I really like this size of a shred for coleslaw. I put all my vegetables into a bowl and give them a nice toss, and here's also where we're going to add in our diced peppers. I'm just going to put a handful or so in there. I keep these on hand. I like to use them for all kinds of things. They're great to just toss into a salad like this. Look at the beautiful color that adds. Next step is, of course, to make our sauce. I'm just going to combine all the remaining ingredients here. Here we've got our sour cream. To that, I'm going to add the mayonnaise, the celery seed, the vinegar. We give it about a quarter to a half teaspoon of salt, some nice freshly ground black pepper, probably about a quarter teaspoon of that. Now, you'll notice this is a pretty thick sauce. You want to taste it for seasoning quickly. A little more salt, actually. There we go. And into our vegetables it goes. Now it's simply a matter of stirring all this together. This coleslaw is going to taste best after it's refrigerated for about an hour. Well, all right, let's give this a taste. Looks great, and I know this coleslaw is really good. Oh. It's tangy, it's creamy, it's got that wonderful crunch, and of course the flavors are just lovely. That bell pepper that's in there, really, really delicious. That's just a nice crunch, a little more sweetness. Really love it. I really hope you'll try this easy coleslaw. And I also hope that before you go, you'll like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. It helps you find my videos, especially if you click on the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time I upload new videos, which actually is a couple of times a week. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.